All right, question number 2. Girl, I got your book and read it, and I was doing this IF several weeks, and I started putting on weight, and I just don't understand. I don't know what's going on with my body, so I got involved with this transformational 6-week challenge with Be Fit, and I'm eating all this food, and I'm hungry all the time. Anyway, I'm just a mess. Is there anyone you could recommend to me that I can hire to get my ASS in gear and get in shape? I've never been this heavy, and I have a ton of clothes in my closet I can't wear. But anyway, you've had such success with your fasting program, but I'm just still struggling. I started working out briefly, but I'm not happy with the way that I feel. I value your opinion and your expertise. We're going to call her D in Virginia Beach. We're not going to share. What?
If only we could find a trainer, and we knew a trainer. Somebody who did this for a living.
That's right.
Where could we find one at?
First thing you need to do is you need to get with Chris and go to personal training. He will keep you really having fun and not be bored. So that is number 1. Number 2 is, as far as putting on weight, what happens with some of these people, like I even hear in here, so she's supposed to do this transformational 6-week challenge with this, Be Foot, and she's eating all this food. So she was probably in one of those things where it said you need to eat every 3 hours and 6 hour, every 3 hours or whatever. Mm-hmm. So that is definitely part of the problem, right?
Well, I mean, when she says putting on weight, I wish she had got a little more specific, because I don't know if she meant 2 pounds, which is not a big deal. Did she mean 12 pounds? You know what? Need more details on that. And then another thing I would suggest, skipping from one thing to the next. Like if you want to do this transformational thing for 6 weeks, that's fine. I'm not discouraging in that, but if you're gonna do the fasting, you got to give it a chance. So you don't want to hop from, well, I'm gonna try this for 2 weeks, and if this don't work in 2 weeks, I'm gonna try this. Like whatever you decide to do, you need to make sure that you're giving it a chance to work. So we talked on the show before about everybody usually had a 2-3 week period when they started fasting before they started to see results. So you would sound like you were right at that peak, right at that point, and you stopped doing it. So I would definitely give it another chance and see how your results are. But give it a good 5-6 months, and then really determine whether it's for you or not.